How to create PDF file on iPhone. So if you're wondering or you're planning to have your photos converted to PDF, then this tutorial is for you. So what you're going to do first is you may want to go here to your photos and choose the photos that you want to create as a PDF file. So for me, I'm just going to select these. So for me, I'm just going to select these photos, and then what you're gonna do here is on the bottom left part, you will see this share button. Click on that and scroll down up until you see save to files. Tap on save to files, and you may wanna put it in a specific folder, depends on you, but for me, I just wanna put it here. Then tap on save. After that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here to your files and look for those photo. So for example, you're planning to have one photo converted to PDF. So what you're gonna do is to choose the photo, long press on that, and here you will see quick actions. Tap on quick actions and tap on create PDF. And as you can see, we have now the PDF version of that photo. Now, if you're planning to have a lot of photos converted to PDF, then what you're going to do is to select those. So tap on select and choose all the images that you want to be added on the PDF file. So for example, these photos, and do the same process. Click on, I mean, choose those photos. So then on the bottom part, you'll see the three dots there. Click on that. And then here you will see create PDF option. Tap on create PDF. Now we have successfully created a PDF for that. Now if you click on that and open it, and as you can see, you have now converted those photos into PDF file, and basically that is it. That is how you create PDF file on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.